what type of job, that is, what level of job will you advise us to apply, or internship?
Oh, well, yeah, that's a good question. See, what you can do, what I advise to my students as well. So always start working in the field, right? Yeah, in the field means as a field engineer or as an implementation engineer, where you go on the field, you either install and configure the equipment or you do the troubleshooting, right? So network operations is a good starting point for you. Network implementation or network field engineer is a good starting point for you in the career, because this is where you're going to learn how the technology works, right? This is where you're going to learn how to apply your knowledge in the field. So once you gain that confidence, that is going to help you later on shape your career, right?
Say network operation
Yeah, network operations, network
and
implementation,